Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Angels Monthly System. It's another day with another chance to learn about numbers from Oxford Pre-Primary Mathematics A1. Today we will start unit number 3. This unit is about number 1. In this unit, you will be introduced by number 1. By the end of this unit, I have to enable you to recognize the number 1, understand the quantity of 1 through counting various objects and write the number 1. Let's recognize the number 1 with these flashcards. What is this? A boy. What is this? A boy. And how many are these? One boy. How many are these? One boy. This number is 1. This number is 1. One boy. What is this? A girl. What is this? A girl. And how many are these? One girl. One girl. Okay, what is this? A teacher. What is this? A teacher. Okay, count it also. Is this one teacher? Yes, one teacher. One teacher. One boy, one girl and one teacher. Okay, for more practice, let's open the page number 17. Look at this one page. This page is also about the recognition and writing of number 1. Okay, let's read the instruction. This page is about my best friend. My best friend. Here is written color Ali. Okay. Here is Ali. You have to do coloring in Ali. Let's start coloring in Ali. Okay, we have completed the coloring in Ali. Here is written, Ali is my best friend. Ali is my best friend. And do you know the meaning of the best friend? Best friend is the friend we like him the most. Okay, how many are these? One Ali. How many are these? One Ali. This number is 1. This number is 1. One Ali. One Ali. After recognizing the number 1, you have to do the practice of tracing of number 1. Trace the dotted lines. Trace the dotted lines. This number is 1. On these places, you have to do the tracing. Okay, let's practice the tracing of number 1. Start from here. You have to move your pencil from up to down in this way. Okay, we have completed the tracing of number 1. It's all about this one page. After this one page, you must be able to recognize the number 1 and trace the number 1 in a correct way. Okay, let's move on the next page. The next page is about my favorite fruit. Favorite fruit. In this page, you will also recognize the number 1 with the help of fruits and write the number 1. Okay, let's recognize the number 1 with the flashcards of fruits. Okay, what is this? Orange. What is this? Orange. Count this orange. Count this orange. This is 1 orange. This number is 1. And this is orange. 1 orange. Do you know what is this? A banana. Have you ever eaten a banana? Okay, now count it. This is 1 banana. This is 1 banana. 1 banana. And what is this? This is a strawberry. This is a strawberry. Count it also. How many are these? 1 strawberry. 1 strawberry. What is this? This is an apple. What is this? Apple. And how many are these? 1 apple. 1 apple. 1 orange, one banana, one strawberry and one apple. Okay, now let's open your books at page number 18. Look at this page. Here is written my favorite fruit. Color the strawberry. This is strawberry. And do you remember the color of strawberry? Red color. What is the color of the strawberry? Red. Now you have to do coloring in strawberry. Take your red color pencil and let's start coloring. Okay, we have completed the coloring in strawberry. Now we have to count it. How many strawberries are these? This is one strawberry. This number is 1 strawberry. Here is also written 1 strawberry. 1 strawberry. Okay, after recognizing the number 1 with the fruits, you have to do the practice of tracing number 1. Trace the dotted lines. This is number 1 and you have to do tracing on these places. Let's start tracing. After this page, I hope you will easily recognize the number 1 from the book and from your daily life also. And you will be able to trace the number 1 in a correct way. Okay, let's move on the next page, page number 19. This page is about understanding the quantity of 1. Because we have already recognized the number 1, now we will understand the quantity of 1. Let's read the instruction. This page is about my favorite food. My favorite food. Color the burger and the drink. Firstly, we have to find the burger and drink from this one page. Is this a burger? No, these are fries. What are these? These are fries. And what is this? This is burger. Do you like to eat burger? Okay, this is burger. And what is this? This is drink. What is this? This is drink. Now we have to do coloring in the burger and drink. Let's start coloring. Okay, we have completed the coloring in burger and drink. Now you have to count the burger. How many are these? This is one burger. This is one burger. After counting it, you have to write here how many are these burger. One burger. Okay, now we will write 1. Firstly, put a dot here. Then you have to write 1. One burger. One burger. After doing this one work, you have to do the practice of writing the number 1 because you have already done the practice of tracing the number 1. For writing the number 1, I suggest you firstly to put a dot here like this one and then this one. Then you have to start from this dot in a straight line like this. Now we will write it next. 1, 2. At least 5 to 6 times you have to do the practice of writing number 1. After this one page, you must be able to understand the quantity of 1 from your daily life and write the number 1. Okay, let's move on the next page, page number 20. This page is about my pet. This page is about my pet. And do you know the meaning of pet? Pet animals are those animals that we keep at our homes. Cat is a pet animal. Cat is a pet animal. And have you any pet animal at your homes? Okay, cat. Very good. Let's read the instruction. Trace the dotted lines to complete the picture. Here are the dotted lines. Firstly, we have to trace these dotted lines to complete the picture of cat. Let's start tracing. Okay, after completing this picture, We have to count it and we have to tell how many are these. Okay, now tell me how many are these. This is one cat. This is one cat. Now you have to write one in the given blank here. One cat. One cat. In this way we have understood the quantity of number 1. Now we have to do the practice of writing 1 in this one place. For written practice like the previous one page, firstly you have to put the dots here, then you will do the practice of writing the number 1. Okay, let's come on the next page, page number 21. This page is about jungle animals. Firstly we have to recognize the animals in this one picture. What is this? This is a monkey. What is this? This is a monkey. And this one is bear. This one is bear. And what is this? This is a fox. This is a fox. After recognizing these animals, let's read the instruction, color the bear. Now firstly tell me how many bear are there in the picture. There are only one bear in the picture. How many are these? This is one bear. This is one bear. Okay, now we have to do coloring in bear. Let's start coloring. Okay, we have completed the coloring in bear. After doing the color in this picture, let's read the second instruction. Color each number 1 green. Okay, now we have to find the number 1 from this picture. Where is the number 1 written? This one? Yes, this is number 1. You have to do it green color. Let's color it green. This is number 1. What number is this? This is number 1. You have to do it green color. Okay. Find another number 1. Where is? This is also a number 1. We will also color it with green color pencil. Okay, this one is also number 1. Is this the same? Yes, this is also number 1. Let's color it. Okay, now is there any number 1? Find from this one picture. Is there any number 1? This one. This one is also number 1. We have to color it also. Okay, we have completed the work on this one page. In this page, firstly, we recognize the jungle animals. Okay, then we understood the quantity of 1 by counting the animals. Okay, let's come on the page number 22. This page is about the playground. Before doing work on this page, firstly we have to identify the playground equipments. What is this? This is a slide. This is a slide. And here is a girl on a slide. And what is this? This is a swing. This is a swing. And a boy is on a swing. They all are in a playground. And what are they doing? And what are they doing? They all are playing. Okay, now let's read the instruction. Circle the boy on the swing. Circle the boy on the swing. Now firstly you have to tell me where is the swing. Is this a swing? No, this is not a swing. This is a slide. Is this a swing? Yes, this is a swing. This is a swing. Okay, here is a boy or a girl? A boy. A boy is on the swing. Now we have to circle the boy. Circle the boy on the swing like this. The second one criteria is color the girl on the slide. This is a slide and here is a girl on the slide. We have to do coloring in the girl. Okay, after this let's read these statements. There is dash girl on the slide. This is a slide and here is the girl on the slide. Now you have to tell me how many girls are these. This is one girl. This is one girl. You have to write one in the given blank like this. There is dash boy on the swing. How many are these? Is this one boy? Yes, this is also one boy and you will write one here. Okay, after this one page, now we have to move on the next page. This one. Okay, now look at this one picture. What is happening in this one picture? It is raining. It is raining. Do you like to go out in rain? I like to go in the rain. What is happening in the picture? It is raining. And here is a girl. What is the girl holding? What is this? What is the girl holding? The girl is holding an umbrella. Have you umbrella? Yes, very good. And do you hold umbrella while raining? Okay, very good. The girl is holding an umbrella. Now here are the shapes. Firstly, we have to name the shapes. Do you remember the name of this one shape? Circle. This is circle. And this one rectangle. And this one rectangle. What is this? This one is oval shape. This one is oval shape. And what is this? Both are same. Both are same. Then this is oval. What is this? This is square. And this one is triangle. And what is this? This is also a circle, same like this shape. And what is this? This is also a triangle, same like this shape. This is square and this one is rectangle. Okay, now we have to do work on this page according to this criteria. Here is written color one square red. Color one square red. Firstly, we have to find square from these shapes. Is this a square? No, this is not a square. Is this a square? Yes, this is a square. And this is also a square. These two are square. But do we color in both squares? No, we have to do coloring in one square. Okay, now we will do coloring in this one square with red color pencil. Okay, we have completed the coloring in one square. One square. What is this? This is one square. The next one point is one circle yellow. You have to find the circle from these shapes. Then you will color only one circle. Is this a circle? No. Is this a circle? Yes, this is a circle. And where is another circle? This one. These both are circles, but we will do coloring in one circle with yellow color pencil. Okay, after this, one triangle blue. Now we have to find the triangle. This one is the triangle? No, this is a triangle and here is another triangle, but we have to do coloring in one triangle because we have to understand the quantity of 1. Now we will do coloring in triangle with the blue color pencil. Okay, let's read again. One square red, one triangle blue and one circle yellow and one circle yellow. Okay, it's all about this one page. In this one page, we understood the quantity of 1 through shapes.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads.